Well, look at you, gorgeous lady.
Oh, no, God. I had a meeting, but...
A reunion that meant the world to all three of us. From a scary situation to a second chance at life.
I didn't know I would have to, like, Cirque du Soleil my way out.
Cara Williamson can now smile about her near-death experience.
It was so, like, serendipitous that you guys were there. Because,
Truly.
like I said, other than the car that I thought was a boat, there was nobody.
Let's take you back to the beginning.
Flash flooding widespread across southeast Wisconsin.
Photographer Myron Jacobs and I were interviewing a man at his home in a Wauwatosa neighborhood near Concordia Avenue and Menominee River Parkway.
We come out to do a live shot.
Just to get a better view of the street itself so people could really understand like the intensity of the flooding.
That's when I heard a faint voice from the brush.
And I said, Myron, do you hear that? And he's like, what? I said, just listen.
Myron waded through the rushing current only to find Cara stranded on top of her car.
And when you were like, I think I see you, I'm like, I think I see you too. Don't go.
Cara said her mom asked her to move the car to high ground so the floodwaters wouldn't damage it.
How far did you get out the driveway before,
It was just the back tires. As soon as they were on the road, it was like I no longer control this vehicle.
In the driver's seat, she says she was swept away, hitting street signs and mailboxes.
This is the house that we were doing the initial live shots at. We couldn't have been standing here because this was where all of the water was just, it was its own river even though we're in a street.
Cara was carried off the road as the water seeped into her car.
Couldn't open the door because the water was too high.
Yeah.
So then I just opened. Thankfully, like, even though they're automatic windows, they still opened. And so I just climbed on the roof. And then it was like a whitewater rafting adventure until I got jammed in the woods.
This was 2:30 in the morning. Myron and I didn't arrive until nearly 5 hours later, only to find Cara in the exact same position. That's when I called 911.
Oh, just 911 location emergency.
We have a woman who is trapped on top of her car.
All the while, we updated the viewers watching from home.
So we're very lucky that we heard her shouting for help, and hopefully we can get her the assistance that she needs.
The rain started to pick up again.
I'm glad you stayed put because that water was crazy.
It was like,
And it doesn't look like it.
But Cara couldn't hear us over the noise.
We're still here!
She thought we left. I called.
We have it out on the air. Someone has to be coming.
A few minutes that felt like an eternity.
Oh, here they come. Move the car. Move the car. Move the car. They want to come out to us. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
That's when the fire department showed up.
As you can see right there, they're starting to bring over that ladder, and they're going to commence that water rescue. Oh my God, yay. She's safe. She's right here. Oh my God, I'm so glad.
We're glad you're okay.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
and just you guys being here, gosh, I'm like getting choked up because it really was so scary, but it wasn't scary till after, if that makes sense.
The epitome of the right place at the right time.
I'm so happy to meet you and know that like you're good and you're okay, and you know that situation could have been like a whole lot worse.
It all worked out, and I'll never drive in the rain again, so.
We celebrated the best way we knew how.
There's nothing that says like, thanks for saving my life, like a box of donuts.
In Wauwatosa, Mackenzie Hamill,
Cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers, everybody.
TMJ4 News.